the new feature of AWS is to color your account if you are working on multiple accounts at single time. Just go to this and click on here. This is my root account, and one of the user of it is this one. And just go to this one. This is the root one, and this is the one user which you created, which won't have the full access. You can set, this is the new feature, account displays, to set the color. If you just set it, let me just, the main one as red. This is the root account, and the users one, like these different colors you can choose. This is the green color, let me just choose that. So now if you just, you can see this is in green, this is in red. These features recently AWS has published, so yeah, you can use this to work on multiple accounts at one time. Yeah, thanks.